I think one of the advantages of being a small interdisciplinary design firm is that we can take risks on software and technology without going through the committees and layers of management. A recent example of that is our drone that we call the Red Admiral.
The name Red Admiral comes from a species of butterfly that's found in mostly warmer climates. We bought the drone for the office and we had two of our team members trained as UAS pilots within 2.5 months. Patricia and Pawel are the certified office pilots, and together they've logged a lot of hours of flight time recording video and taking still footage of our work and the process of executing our work throughout the region. It helps us with, practical things like seeing the whole project from a bird's eye view and digital photo montage to create renderings.
On the documentation side, using a drone, we now have the ability to access areas we don't typically have access to, and we could get photos and videos of those areas. We also use point cloud services to get a three-dimensional model that we could later use to get dimensions. Those dimensions can be heights of roofs, building footprints, even tree heights and canopy widths.
But beyond these practical uses, it also helps us tell the story of our projects in a new format and in a new language that we were never able to communicate in before.